Now, let us understand what happens in spectacle prescription. Basically, most of us would have come across a very common prism encounter in spectacles. Now, what happens in spectacle again here? What I will be discussing is very simple. If we talk about a plus lens, which is this, the plus lens is a combination of prism, which is attached base to base. You can just look at the light blue color shade within the lens. And a minus lens is a combination of prism attached apex to apex. Okay. Now, what is the necessity of this and why we should be actually bothered about this is answered here. Now, say for example, this is very common that if there is a decentration which happens in the spectacle lens, then we get some prismatic effect. I hope most of you would have by now heard about it. And in order to calculate what is the prismatic effect, we use a particular rule called Prentice rule. And we are going to do some quick calculations even on today's Zoom to understand, like, whether you got the concept or not. But before that, what I want to do is I just want to, put across in front of you, maybe randomly, like, I'll just, before getting into this concept, I would want to, ask one question. Okay. A simple one. And maybe you can calculate for yourself if you have pen and paper, and you can respond on the chat or you can unmute and answer it. Now, say for example, there is a spectacle lens, which is -5 spherical. Okay. You have asked for a PD, which is 30 mm. After fitting, you found that the PD was fitted at 34 mm. I want to understand what will be the prismatic effect that a customer will face or a patient will face, and what will be the base direction. I'm giving you a very simple calculation. Uh, I hope you are aware of Prentice rule. If not, it's fine. We are going to discuss it in next quick slides. But one activity, if you can do quickly and let me know, -5 spherical. And your customer says, when the spectacle was fitted, instead of 30 mm, the spectacle was fitted at 34 mm. And now we want to understand, because the decentration has happened, what is the prismatic effect that has come into play for this particular spectacle. So if you can just unmute and answer, anybody who wants to do this. And in the meantime, I'll just quickly clear all the drawings because somebody is trying to explain something. Yeah.
सर 2 mm का शिफ्ट है तो 2 mm ही आएगा। सर पीडी में 2 mm का शिफ्ट है तो 2 mm का प्रिज्मेटिक इफेक्ट होगा।
पीडी में 2 mm नहीं है, 4 mm का शिफ्ट है।
ओ सॉरी, जस्ट सॉरी सर, अब 4
30 था
mm का है
तो अभी 34 पे फिट हुआ है,
तो सर उसका जस्ट अप आएगा, मतलब 2 आएगा।
2 प्रिज्म आएगा, ठीक है। एंड इसका बेस डायरेक्शन क्या होगा?
सर इन रहेगा, बेस
इन रहेगा
डायरेक्शन।
सर।
इन रहेगा या आउट रहेगा?
सर इन रहेगा।
इन रहेगा, श्योर?
यस सर।
यस सर, 100%।
ठीक है, कूल। ओके, तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल जस्ट क्विकली सी, बाय प्लेसिंग प्रिज्म इन फ्रंट ऑफ आई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि एग्जैक्टली क्या हो रहा है। ओके, एंड देन यू कैन ऑलवेज वैलिडेट योर आंसर। आपने सही बोला था, गलत बोला था, जो भी है। अभी बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, मैंने आपको प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दिया था -5, अभी हम पहले देखेंगे प्लस का। ठीक है। नाउ व्हेन आई सेड, इफ यू रिमेंबर द प्रीवियस स्लाइड, मैंने बोला था कि प्लस लेंस जो है हमारे, दे आर बेस टू बेस अटैच्ड। ठीक है, तो दिस इज योर प्लस लेंस। अभी व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज, हमारे अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए विल जस्ट हैव अ सेंटर ऑप्टिकल लाइन, ओके, ऑप्टिकल एक्सिस विच विल ऑल्सो एक्ट एज ऑप्टिक सेंटर अभी के लिए। नाउ अभी इस लेंस को हम क्या करते हैं, विल जस्ट प्लेस इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ आई। ओके, नाउ इन ऑर्डर टू मेक श्योर कि हमें कोई प्रिज्मेटिक इफेक्ट ना हो, ideally the lens should be placed like this, जहाँ पे optical axis correctly pupil line को bisect कर रहा है, okay, or like this, okay. तो horizontally भी सही से बैठना चाहिए, vertically भी सही से बैठना चाहिए, okay. This is how it should be. But generally what happens, अगर मान लो कि जैसे मैंने बताया previous question जो आपको बोला था, there is a decentration, okay. Now let us take scenario 1 where there is a decentration and decentration is out. यहाँ पे वही plus lens है, pupil bisect है. What I am doing is I am just trying to show you the sequence कि अगर ये लेंस हट जाता है 4 mm, तो अभी आंखों के सामने, आपकी आंखों के सामने जो प्रिज्म है, ओके, इफ इट इज नॉट मूविंग, ओके, देयर इज नो प्रिज्मेटिक इफेक्ट. लेकिन इफ इट इज डिसेंटर्ड आउट, द प्रिज्म इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर आई is this, and what is this? This is base out, क्योंकि this is your nose and this is base out prism, right? Similarly, if you have vertical misorientation, अगर vertically ये सही नहीं है, तो मान लो अगर 2 mm डिसेंटर हो गया है, then ideally क्या होगा, आपके आंखों के सामने base down prism आ जाएगा, okay? You will be having an impact of base down prism in front of your eye. If it is equal on both the eyes, both base down equally by 2 mm, you will not have problem. Both base out equally, like यहाँ पे base out and left eye में base in equally है, कोई problem नहीं आएगा. But if it is like this, what we have seen in the example, it is going to cause problems. And that is the reason we always have to be sure that we calculate Prentice rule, just in case if you feel that the optic centers are not matching. Okay, now let us quickly see the minus part of it. Minus prescription में क्या होगा? Now this is apex to apex attach. There is an optical center, same rule as your plus lens. Again आंखों के सामने अगर हम, ideally if you don't want any prismatic effect to happen, it should be fitted on the PD. But in case horizontal and vertical do not match, here again I have taken the same case scenario wherein you have your minus lens. From the profile you can make, okay, this is a minus lens. Now in case if your minus lens is 4 mm out, and this was the case which we discussed, for which you replied, I got reply from two of you. अगर ये 4 mm out है, 30 पे मुझे PD चाहिए लेकिन 34 पे फिट हुआ था, तो ideally ये 4 mm हट गया, okay. Now the prism that is impacting in front of the eye is your base in. ये nose है, base in prism है, cool. Similarly for the other eye, let us take the other scenario जहाँ पे prism 2 mm down shift हुआ. Now for this particular eye, the prism impact is going to be base up, okay. And जैसे हमने पहले ही बेसिक पढ़ा था, अगर बेस इन है तो आपका आंख थोड़ा बाहर आएगा, बेस डाउन है तो आंख थोड़ा नीचे जाएगा, ओके, सॉरी बेस अप है तो आंख थोड़ा नीचे जाएगा. So I hope you got the base direction, you got the Prentice rule. Let us quickly, like you know, if I can just request you to quickly work out this. Prentice rule का ये simple सा formula है wherein we call it as P is equal to C into F. P prismatic effect है, C is centimeters of decentration, कितना decentration हुआ था. Generally आपको पता है कि PD is always in mm, इसलिए यहाँ पे मैंने centimeter 0.4 डाला है and dioptric power डाला है. So if you want to just quickly spend some time on this, take this as a quick photo or something wherein you know you can just work on this number. It is very simple. Basically यहाँ पे answer बहुत simple है, और because this is minus, ये in हुआ है, हाँ 2 नहीं आएगा. Can you just quickly work out? This is 3 diopters, minus 3 diopters, and the decentration is in, it is not out.
Sorry, sir, it is 1.25, but I was giving answer for the -5 diopter.
Correct.
So that
2
is
diopters.
2. Yes,
Correct.
sir.
So what I got as an answer for minus 5 diopters as 2 prism diopter base in was the correct one. Okay. Basically हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि prism का direction कहाँ जाएगा if you are considering a plus power with base to base attached, minus power with apex to apex attached, तब आपको ये confusion कभी नहीं होगा. And that's the reason, I just wanted to show you the prisms in front of eye. So the concept becomes really easy and we do not keep guessing. और एक चीज़ है, इसे याद रखने के लिए आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि अगर माइनस है तो उल्टा होगा, प्लस है तो जो डायरेक्शन है उसी डायरेक्शन में. मतलब मान लो अगर प्लस है एंड अगर आपका डिसेंट्रेशन आउट हुआ है तो बेस आउट आएगा, डिसेंट्रेशन इन हुआ है तो बेस इन आएगा, डिसेंट्रेशन अप हुआ है तो बेस अप आएगा, डिसेंट्रेशन डाउन हुआ है तो बेस डाउन आएगा. प्लस विल गो विथ व्हाट इज द डिसेंट्रेशन पोजीशन, माइनस विल गो अगेंस्ट द डिसेंट्रेशन पोजीशन. ये आप याद रख सकते हो. अगर डायोप्टर माइनस है और डिसेंट्रेशन जो भी परसेंटेज है, अगर वो इन है तो बेस आउट आएगा, आउट है तो बेस इन आएगा. दिस इज सिंपल वे ऑफ रिमेम्बरिंग कि कौन सा बेस आएगा इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रेंटिस रूल.